Hello and welcome to STWebDesigner. Today I'm going back in time to film a video that I should have done a while ago. In most of the tutorials that I have created, I have at some point implemented responsive design, but never really in depth explained what it is and how you can implement it. Well, today I'm going to be explaining just that. So what is responsive design? Well, responsive design is an approach to web design that allows a website to adapt from one size screen to another, whether that's desktop, tablet or mobile. This is done by using flexible layouts, images and media queries. Responsive design is designed to provide the user with an optimal viewing experience that is easy to read and navigate. It also means that the user doesn't have to scroll in and out of your web page to see the content. So how do I implement responsive design? Well, responsive design is implemented using media queries. These media queries are placed in your CSS document. This means that no extra documents are needed to make a site responsive. There's just extra code. When wanting to add media queries into your site, all you need to type is @media, screen and max or min width, the number and unit. Now the unit can be pixels, EMs, it doesn't matter as long as it's a valid unit for the CSS document. There are two ways to make a site responsive. The first is by using min width. This approach is classed as mobile first. This is because you'll develop the site for mobiles and use media queries to change the look of the website for larger screens. The second way is max width. This approach is classed as desktop first. This is because you'll develop the site for desktops and use media queries to change the look of the website for smaller screens. There is no right or wrong way to implement responsive design, as both work just as well. The next stage is to tell the browser when to implement the new styles. Some developers use common breakpoints, while others will create a breakpoint when and where it is needed. Either way is absolutely valid and fine. So should I learn responsive design? Well, the answer simply is yes, as it's a good tool to know, learn and offer to clients. But is it the most important thing to learn? Well, probably not. In actual fact, there are only roughly 1 in 8 websites that are responsive, which when you think about it, with the amount of websites on the internet, isn't a large number. The reason why the numbers are so small is because Joe Blogs down the road isn't really bothered by having a site that is responsive. He just doesn't really care. Most clients will just want a site that works and not really bothered about the user experience. As long as people can see the website, use it and buy their products, they're not really bothered. So many of the sites that go into the category that are responsive are designers, developers and people who want to show off their skills rather than actual businesses and organisations. All in all, responsive design is a good thing to learn, use and offer to clients, but remember, not all clients will want a responsive site. So I hope that cleared up a few things about what responsive design is, how you can implement it and whether you should learn it. Thank you for watching. If you did find this video useful, please share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up. Bye for now.